Hi, good morning, good evening, everyone. Today we will see few things like creating from application to we will see what are the different types of applications, what are different types of object, different types of tabs, different types of fields. So what is the hierarchy from application to field?
Application, object,
tab, and
or
then
tab, record, and then field.
Tab.
Record and then field.
So
Record
what are the different types of applications?
standard, custom,
What are different types of objects?
Standard,
custom,
custom,
and subjects.
is objects.
subjects.
What are different types of tabs?
There's only one tab.
We have standard tab.
Standard tab, custom.
Custom object tab only we have created. There are total 6 types of tabs. Here these are 3 types of objects. 2 types of applications. Fields are also, there are 2 types, standard and custom fields. After creating field, then we create record, but field is the least level when that when we are thinking in view of data. After creating all these, we will create records. We enter each field. With field, we will get entire record with collection of fields. So now we have seen standard application. What is standard application? What is standard application?
Salesforce provided application.
It is these applications are provided by
Salesforce.
Applications are provided by Salesforce. What is custom application?
It's created by admin.
Created by developer.
It is created by developer
or admin based on client's requirements.
Based for the client requirement, based on client requirement. Now, while creating the application, we get different screens. Now we have to understand what those screens are. Might be not in very detailed manner, whatever is required, we will understand. Now for that, we create one application for Axis Bank with the logo, Axis Bank logo, and we add navigation items, and we grant access only to system administrator profile. I have given one assignment for you to do this. Have you done this?
Yes.
You have added only system administrator profile?
Yes.
Usually we get option to add for all profiles. If you want to add for only single profile as well, we can add. So this is the user story we have got from client to create a custom application. So to do that, what we have to do?
Go to setup.
Setup. App manager.
Where to go?
Setup.
Switch
to Lightning.
In Lightning.
Can't we create applications in Classic, sir? We haven't created anything in Classic.
In Classic, we have not created. We cannot create.
Okay.
App manage.
the app manager. Here,
New Lightning app.
Lightning app. Edit.
where to go?
Also,
Lightning
New
app.
Lightning app.
Lightning app.
Here, application name is Axis Bank. Axis Online Banking. So this is the Axis Bank online banking for customers, account holders. So who will provide logo?
client will provide.
Client.
Axis Bank has to provide logo.
Mission 11.
Now upload logo. No, we have got that logo. Change the colors. So this will give this theme color. Now here, this is the first screen we are getting. In this first screen, what options we have?
So we have to provide app details and branding.
App details. In this app details, what options we have? Just check it.
App name, developer
App
name,
name.
description, logo, and color.
So these are the, how many options are there? Enter application name, enter
5.
description, select logo, then we can select color. This is checkbox. 1, 2, 3. Enter application name, enter description, logo, color. Now what is this arg theme options? What is this options?
User apps.
If you select this, if you don't select this, we get blue color. Use the app image and color instead of the args custom theme. Just select this, let us see what will happen. These 5 options are there. Then click on next. Here it is showing app options. In app options, what screens we have? What options we have in app? Navigation style. It is a standard navigation. There is console navigation and standard navigation. Swapna will explain what is console navigation, what is standard navigation. This is supported form factors. We use this application both in desktop and phone. If you select desktop and phone, it won't be responsive. Responsive meaning is if you use in different devices, it should be responsive for any design, any device. In web terminology, we call it as responsive website. Here it is supported for both desktop and phone. So this we are giving setup experience. What is this setup experience? When we enter, first when we enter into the application, select which setup experience to show as the first item in the setup menu for this app. We are going to setup, right? When we go to the setup, which options it has to? You just select this setup, full setup options. We don't have any personalized settings now. So these 4 options are there here. Navigation style. In this navigation style, we have both standard and console navigation. We have to remember this. Swapna explained these things in detailed manner. What is this console and what is this navigation style? This is supported form factors. We have 3 options. We have to select both desktop and phone. Then setup experience. 2 options are there. Setup, full setup of setup options, service setup. Then app personalized settings. Disable end user personalization for navigation items in the app. Disable temporary tabs for items outside of this app. 2 options they have given. This is the second screen. Here we have two options in navigation style. In the supported form, we have 3 options. Desktop and phone, desktop, phone. Try to remember this. This terminology is very important. Setup experience. Setup and service setup. App personalization settings. Then click on next. It is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. Let us see how many options we get. Utility items. So here it is showing, if you click on add utility item, here we have different options. Whenever you enter into application, in the Lightning, it is showing different options. Charter feed, charter publisher. If you log into your Lightning application first time, it is showing in service application or home, it is showing these options. If you want to add any utility items like this, you can add. These are the different utility items available. These are the standard utility items provided by Salesforce. What it is, how it is, Swapna will explain. But remember, there are different utility items provided by Salesforce. The alignment is by default. If you want to change it, you can change. Mirrored and default, Swapna will explain how it will show, and while creating what to do, everything she will show. So this is only for desktop. In mobile, this option is not available. This is utility items. This is the third one. In this utility items, we have two options. First one is add utility items. Salesforce has provided 18 standard utility items. In Salesforce. And second option we have, in point of view, functionality point of view, these are very important. Utility bar alignment. Bar alignment. There are two options are available. What are those? One is default, second one is mirrored. Default and mirrored. In the next stream, I'm not adding anything. If you want to add, you can add. Started feed and it will go like this. These are the different properties. Then this is the navigation items we are going to add. Navigation items. You can add and remove navigation items. Which navigation items we require now? Accounts, contacts, cases also we want. There is contacts,
Service.
Which one?
Service.
Service, account, contact, cases, opportunities, solution. Solution is not available. Let us think about that later. Just click next. Then here add two profiles. Every user will have a profile. Without profile, you cannot access the applications. User profile. In this user profiles, there are different options available. I want to give only for system administrator. If we give system administrator, can we see this application or not?
Yes.
We should, sir. We are the system administrator.
Because
right?
you are a system administrator. You have created org. So now we got this application. Check. This application came here or not?
There.
Axis Bank online application. How many steps are there? 5 steps while creating the application. And there are different options in this. We have to remember all these options. It is must and should to remember these options. These are the functionality, navigation, this knowledge we require, this terminology we require. When Swapna is explaining, you have to get all this terminology. So these are the 5 options we have. So what observations we have now? A new custom application called Axis Online Banking is available in where it is available? Where it is available?
App launcher.
First app manager it is available. Here we can see app manager, right? First we can see app manager. See this is the app manager or app launcher?
App manager.
App manager.
App
App
manager.
manager. Here we have that application is available. See, this is a lightning application.
Yes.
We have given this description. This is the developer name we have got automatically. If you want to edit or delete, you can do this. Now go to app launcher. If you want to open this, how you can go?
The dots.
App launcher. View all. And you can drag that onto top. If you click on this app launcher, you can see that application in the top. Click on this. So like this, we have created application. So when you create this application, you have not created any records. But why it is giving Apollo here? Why it is giving Apollo?
Is it sharing from other
We have shared account object is common for everyone. You
Account
must have
object
created
is common for your org. Not only for your org. For entire Salesforce, account object is common. It is shared with all orgs. But you have access only for this org. That's why you are seeing Apollo. If any person logged in from other org, can they see? What is meaning by org? Now this is the org ID. Here you are seeing now on the top. This is org link. By using this org link, you can access your organization. If you have credentials, if you have user ID and password for this org, you can access. When you go there, you can see Apollo. If I use some other org and log in, can I see this Apollo? Can I see this Apollo record?
No, sir.
No.
Because orgs are different, that security features, that accessibility features are not given for other orgs. That security is provided by Salesforce. If you take other programming languages, you need to have your separate server. You need to provide all security features. You need to do all setup. You need to create database structure. Here you have created application. In that application, you have added database structure. Automatically, you have added tables. You have added objects. Those objects you can use. The security is provided by Salesforce to you. Now, what client said, okay, I have these objects, but I have different branches for my bank. Create one custom object. So what we have to do now? What to do now?
We need to go
Create
to
custom
Object.
How to go?
setup.
Object
Setup.
Manager. Object Manager.
Object Manager. There, after going to Object Manager,
Create a new
custom object.
branch.
So I am entering. Do you remember all these things?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to remember. You have to read everything from this document. When I sent this 10th session, every day you have to read. You have to remember all these things.
So can you remove the space in the label?
Sorry?
Yeah.
Branches. Description. This object stores branch details.
Branch ID.
So I am keeping branch name as it is.
Okay.
When I keep branch name, the data type should be text. I am not entering branch ID. I am keeping branch name only. I am allowing this in reports. I am allowing in activities. I am allowing track field history. I allow in charter groups. I am not enabling license. It will be deployed. I am giving in allow search. I am adding notes and attachments and save. Now custom object is created. How many fields will be there in this object?
Only one.
One or more than one?
5, sir.
Because every object, either it is standard or custom object. It can be either standard or custom object. It will have 5 fields. Five standard fields it will have.
Record ID, owner.
Last modified.
What are the 5? First one is
Record ID.
record ID. Second one is
Record
name.
name.
Third one is
Owner.
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 Fourth one
Created by.
Created by.
Last
Fifth
Last
one.
modified by.
Last
Last
modified.
Modified by.
So here for this record ID is how many digits?
18 digits.
18 digits.
15
In
or
Lightning, 18
15
digits, and in Classic, 15 digits.
15
15 or
digits or 18 digits.
15 digit or 18 digit.
If you create from Classic, it will be 15 digits. If you create from Lightning, we get 18 digits. Record name is
Branch name.
what you define, sir? Branch name.
owner is my name. Created by which timestamp?
Today, now, sometime back.
Last modified by also we get same date.
Name.
Since we have not modified anything. So these are the standard fields. Without these 5 standard fields, there is no object. Either it may be standard object or custom object.
Yes.
We have 3 kinds of objects. Just now we have created standard object, custom object as per the client requirement. How many types of object? First one is standard, second one is custom,
S
third
object.
one is S object.
Subject.
We have created custom object. For that custom object, client wants, we have created it. Client what he said is add custom tab, custom object tab. How many types of tabs are there? We know one is standard tab, which is provided by Salesforce for each and every object. For each and every standard objects, they have provided standard tabs. If we create custom object, we can create custom object tab at the time of creation of object, or later also we can create.
Later also we can create.
Yes. Now we have created custom object without tab, right? Without custom
Yes.
object tab, we have created. There are 6 types of tabs. First one is standard tab, which is provided by Salesforce for standard objects. For standard objects. These are provided by Salesforce. This is the custom object tab, which is created by admin or developer for what? For which object? For
Branch.
which objects we create custom object tab?
Branch.
Branch, sir.
Custom object, right? For the
Yes.
custom object, whatever we have created, and it should, if it don't have tab, we can create it. That is the custom object tab. Now client is saying he wants to have custom object tab for this custom object. In this Lightning app, he doesn't want it anywhere else. Whichever we have created, Access Online Banking, in this Access Online Banking application, for branches object, he wants custom object tab. He has created another user story. In this user story, he is telling for Access Online Banking application, create custom object tab for branch object. Now what to do now? Where to go? Where to
Go
go
to
now?
setup. Go to setup and then app manager.
Object manager.
Go to setup app manager.
So branch object doesn't have tab to manage records. Client requirement is to create tab for branch object. They want to input data. They want to enter branch name from tab. Now, if we don't provide branch tab for them, they cannot enter. As a developer and admin, we can do it. We know programming, we can do it. But from client, they cannot do it. They want to create branch now. So go there. How to go?
To setup
Setup,
app manager.
app manager or something different.
Object manager, sir.
Okay, if we go to object manager, can we see tab?
In app manager also we can see now.
This is the option. Tabs option is there. In the setup, tabs. See this? Tabs option is here in setup. If you go to object manager as well, we can see. Okay, if you go to object manager, what is the object here?
Branch.
Branch.
Okay. Then
Edit.
edit. If you edit, what we will get? See here.
Oh,
There is
okay.
any option to create tab?
So
No.
only first time you get that option.
No, we will not have. Once we have created object, we have saved it. If you don't launch tab at the time of creation of object, we will not see that option to create tab here. To create tab, you have to go to setup. In the setup, tabs option is available. In the quick find, you can search for tab. Here, rename tabs and labels, loaded console, these options are available. Go to tabs. To create tabs, you have to go to setup. From setup, go to tabs. There we can see different options. If you go here, see how many options it is showing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 options it is showing. In this, one option is not showing. Standard tab can we create? It is provided by Salesforce. So other than standard tab, there are 5 other tabs. First one is custom object tab. We know it. We have created custom object tab. There is web tab. There is visual force tab. Lightning component tab. Lightning page tabs. What it is showing here? No custom object tabs have been defined. No web tabs have been defined. No visual force tabs have been defined. No lightning component tabs have been defined. No lightning page tabs have been defined. What is this meaning?
There is no tab for that object.
Till now, did we create any tabs?
No.
No.
In your application, in your R, you will see one tab. Which tab you will see?
Standard tab.
Sorry,
Standard tab.
which tab?
Standard
tab.
Here in this tab section, when you come, tabs option, in your org, if you log in and if you have done all assignments, you can see one tab. What is that tab?
Custom tab.
What is that? Custom object tab, not custom tab, custom object tab.
Okay.
For which object you have created tab?
Policy, sir.
For policy, you have created tab called custom object tab called policies. Can you see that tab here?
Yes.
You will see the tab here. If you create the tab, I am logged into new org. I have not created any tabs yet. Now I will create custom object tab. For which object? When I click
Branch.
on this,
Branch.
which objects we can see?
Branch.
Only
The
branch
object-
objects, because only branch object doesn't have tab. So you select some tab style. This is the we will get branches or something else we will get.
Branches.
How it is taking branches?
While creating object, we defined
We have
Plural as
defined
branches.
plural as branches. Now what is this add to profiles?
which profile we need to add system
We
administrator
can
only here. As
give to access to all profiles. Now I am not changing anything. Now what is this? Include tab in which objects which applications you want this tab?
only for one application.
Only one application. All application doesn't need, because branches is not a global tab, global kind of thing. Only we can have specific
Access.
to Axis online
Access.
banking. They have asked us to create access to create object only for create tab only for Axis online banking. Then click save. Now if I go to sales application, can I see this tab? Service application, can I see this tab?
No,
No.
you cannot.
We cannot see. Which application we can see?
Branch.
Access online banking.
Axis online banking. See
Yes.
here we can see branches. So before, while creating, we have selected like theme should be taken from this color, right? That's why we are getting these colors. Otherwise, org default color we get.
Blue.
See these colors. This line. If you don't select, if you keep the theme color as org default, we get blue color only. This entire process is done by Salesforce. But in Swapna classes, when you are working on Lightning, you apply these colors by writing code. Now is this clear? Now if I go branches, I can create new branch, right?
Yes, sir.
I will create branch in Hyderabad branch. Save. So how many standard fields are there now?
On the screen 4.
4 it is showing. One is the record ID. Where it is?
Yes. There.
In the URL you can see. Till this point we have already discussed. Next, what is web tab? Now what they are telling is they are using some third-party application for payroll process. They want to add one tab. These tabs are for internal use, right? These tabs are internal use for the client, Axis Bank. HR department, they are using some payroll from third party. Axis Bank is not doing payrolls for their employees by their own. They have taken from somebody else. Gray HR. So this is one of the payroll website. They want to log in. They want to keep one tab. When they click on this tab, the tab should redirect to them so that they can log in from here to the payroll. Employees also will have this access. They can check their pay slips, their tax they can upload, everything they can do. So they want to give this third party application should be coming when they should redirecting whenever they click on that tab. For that we have to add web tab. That web tab, when you click on that web tab, it will redirect to this application, third party application. So how to create that? How to create?
So go to tabs, sir, setup.
Setup. Go to tabs.
Select the second option.
Now we have got these branches are not here.
Yes, sir.
For in custom tabs. Now I am going to create a web tab. Click on new. Here it is asking some options. You want to fill width or you want like this, 2 columns. So I am selecting 2 columns. Click next. No,
You're
sorry.
selecting
No,
only
no.
one. Full page you selected, sir.
I am selecting 2 columns. Next. Tab label. I want gray HR. Payroll. Tab style. I'm selecting something. This width, height pixels it is showing. You can change it, but I am not changing. Description. This is the payroll. Gray HR payroll. Website. Click next.
Your webs.
So enter the URL details. You have to enter URL details here. So I am not adding anything here. These options I am not using. Just preview web tab. How it is showing now. You are being redirected to. Do you want to leave this page? Refuse to connect. Let us see. If it doesn't allow, we give some other website and check. Click on next. Do one thing. Previous. Remove this login.
Google.com.
This tab should be visible to all profiles. We don't know user will have which profile. And application should be
Web.
Access
Access
online.
Access.
if you would have remembered this, you would easily do this. See now. Now, where to go?
Access bank application.
Access bank application.
Refresh this.
Refresh.
Yes.
On top, what name we will get?
Great.
Great.
Chapter.
It is not redirecting. So let us take Naukri.com. I want to edit the tab. Go to tabs. Edit. It is asking to change name as well. I want to enter Naukri. Click next. Here, remove this. There. Go there and refresh. Click on now. It is uploading. So this is web tab. You can redirect to third-party website with that tab. Now, in similar way, there are other tabs. Standard tab, custom object tab, web tab, and there is VisualForce page tab. This is when you create VisualForce page. You can create VisualForce page. In Classic, what pages are available? If you go to Classic, which pages you can see?
VisualForce.
These are the VisualForce pages in Classic. You can build VisualForce pages. You can develop VisualForce page. You can give that link, VisualForce page link. Here. Click on New. And enter all details. When you click on Next, here why it is not showing?
It's a
What is the
required
reason?
required field.
Because here we don't have any VisualForce pages created.
Okay.
If it is there, it will show here. There are no VisualForce pages. That's why it is showing none. If any VisualForce is available in our R, it will show that page. Or else you can create a new page now. See, it is showing. select an existing page or create a new Visualforce page. See how this tag is showing. So give this. Click on save. So if you go to the tab, now if you go to tabs, if you create new, it will show that page or not. Visualforce page. See here. Now you can give Visualforce tab. Tab style you can select. This is Visualforce tab. Click on next. You are going to apply for all profiles. Next. This should be included in only Axis Online Banking. Click on save. See this. Now if you go to application, you can see that. Refresh. Where is that? We have not got the tab. Why? Refresh. It may take some time to load.
Immediately it is not showing.
Yeah, it will take some time sometimes. So like this, you can create Visualforce tab, Visualforce page tab. So lightning component tab. There is a lightning component tab. There is lightning page tab. These are related to lightning. There is concept called lightning component and lightning page. There are two kinds of things. You are going to create lightning components. You are going to create lightning pages. Whenever you are in lightning, whenever you are in this lightning, we have lightning pages and lightning components. What is lightning page and what is lightning component? Swapna will explain. So I will give these as assignments to create these tabs. In the similar way, we can create when you click on new, choose the components for this new tab. Here it is not available, but you have to create that and you have to do some process to include lightning component tab or lightning page tab. That is different process. Visualforce is simple. You can create it and you can do it here. But to create a lightning component, you have to do some setups. You have to add some resources. That's why we cannot directly create a lightning component. We need to follow some steps to create lightning component or lightning page. If you have already added those lightning components or lightning pages, it will show here. This assignment we cannot do. Once you know how to create lightning components and how to create lightning page, then only you can do this. You can create this tab. After creating tab, it is How many tabs are there? How many kinds of tabs? Do you remember? How many tabs are there? How many types of tabs?
Custom object tab,
Five.
web tab,
5 or 6?
lightning tab. 6.
6.
What are those?
Custom
Standard.
object tab,
Custom,
Custom object tab. Then
Web.
visual,
Web
web
component.
tab,
lightning
web
component,
page,
lightning.
lightning
Lightning
component.
component.
first one is standard tab. Second is custom object tab.
Custom
Third one is web tab.
Web tab.
Fourth one is visual force tab. Fifth
New
one is
lightning.
lightning component
Lightning
tab. Sixth one is lightning page
Lightning
tab. Lightning component, lightning page, both are
Lightning
different.
page.
We have two things. Lightning components are there, lightning pages are there. Now what client said? We have created only one field, right? Branch name. They want branch ID. The field which is not available, which we are going to create. Any administrator or developer is creating field, that field is called custom field. That custom field is created as per the client requirement. Based on the client requirements, we create fields. Those fields are called custom fields. Along with these 5 standard fields, they want one more branch ID they want. How we can create that? To create a field, while creating the field, for that field, while creating record name, did we select data type or not?
Yes.
To create a branch name, while creating the object, record name is, branch name is mandatory field. While creating the branch name, we have selected data type, right? The data type is
Text.
text data type. Now we want branch ID. Branch ID should be what?
Auto
Auto
number.
number.
Either auto number or it can be
Text.
number. Or it can be text. Branch ID might have like this. HYD. In Hyderabad, there are few other branches. They want to give 01 Hyderabad. Or they want to give 02 USA. Like this they want to give. It can be either number or auto number. To create any custom field, first you have to select data type. You have to select data type. Without selecting data type, you cannot create field. Based on the data type you select, it will ask for properties. Each and every field have properties. What kind of data you are going to enter? Whether it is required or not required. Like this, there are some options, some properties we have to enter while creating the custom field. First, you have to select data type. Based on the data type, we get different properties. There are different data types. So how to go to fields? If you want to see fields, how you can go? How to go? I want to see fields in branch object now. How I can go?
Select the object, branch,
Go to branch.
fields and relationships.
Fields and relationships.
Relationships.
Here it is showing 4 fields and
Yes.
another one is
Record ID.
record ID. I am creating new field here.
New field.
New custom field. Click on this. What it will ask immediately?
Data type.
It will ask field type.
Data type.
Data type it is asking. How many data types are here? See all this.
2,
Auto number,
Auto number.
3.
formula.
These are the different data types. First one is auto number.
Auto number.
Second one is formula. Check it. Third one is roll-up summary. Fourth one is
Lookup relationship.
lookup relationship. Fifth one,
Master
master detail
detail
relationship. Sixth one, external lookup. See this here. These three are separated. These three are separated. Check. First three are separated. Did you see? Auto number, formula, roll-up summary. There is something for these three. The division that we will understand later, why this is divided. But this one is in one division. Auto number, formula, roll-up summary. Remember, auto number, formula, roll-up summary. Next one is relationships. Lookup, master detail, external lookup. Lookup, master detail, external lookup. Next is checkbox. Seventh one. Eighth one is currency. Ninth one is date.
Date.
10th one, date type.
Return.
11th one, email. 12th, geolocation. 13, number. 14%. 15, phone number. 16, pick list. 17, pick list multi-select. 18, text. 19, text area. 20, text area long. 21, text area rich. 22, text encrypted. 23, time. 24, URL. So now what I will do is, I will keep this 23 on top, where along with date and time. I am separating to remember. Email, geolocation, number, percent. Phone I am changing. Pick list. Text. I have separated this. Now do again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, phone number 16, pick list 17, 18 pick list multi-select, 19 text, 20 text area, 21 text area long, 22 text area rich, 23 text encrypted, 24 URL. Total 24 different data types are available in Salesforce. We have divided this 24 into first division. This is 1, 2, 3. Auto number, formula, roll-up summary. Auto number, formula, roll-up summary. These are related to something we are doing, back-end calculation we are doing. Auto number, it is generated automatically. Formula field, it has some mathematical calculation. Roll-up summary as well, it has some mathematical calculation. That's why they are divided into one division. Auto number, formula, roll-up summary. Remember this. Auto number, formula, roll-up summary. Lookup relationship, master detail, external lookup relationship. There are three kinds of relationships in Salesforce. Lookup relationship, master detail relationship, external relationship. Some other things are there, we will discuss later. Many to many is there, self relationship is there, hierarchical relationship is there. But here, based on these three relationships only, we will create remaining three. Lookup relationship, master detail relationship, external lookup relationship. Then checkbox. Currency. Date, date, time. Date, time. These are related to date and time. This is related to currency. Checkbox, you know. Email, you know. Geolocation. If you want to give any location, if you want to include any location, you can define that location. Number, percentage. Phone, pick list multi-select. Text area long, text area rich, text encrypted. 5 options are there in text. Text area long, text area rich, text encrypted. URL. Total 24. Anybody remember this 24 now? First 3. Who will remember? Who will remember these first 3?
I
I
remember.
will.
Tell your name.
Srivalli.
Srivalli, first 3. Second 3.
Second 3
Vishwajit.
also I will remember.
Second 3.
Second 3. First 6 I will remember.
First 6 you will remember.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, remember. Next 7th one.
Checkbox and currency, I will remember. Swati.
Who will remember second one? 7th, 8th?
Swati.
Swati, 7th, 8th. Date, time?
Isha.
Isha, okay. Email, geolocation?
Reena, sir.
Who?
Reena, sir.
Reena. Number, percentage?
Sirisha.
Sirisha. Phone? Phone, who will remember?
Shilpa, sir.
Who?
Shilpa.
Shilpa, okay. Pick list multi-select.
Vishwajit.
Harish.
Harish. Text area long, text area rich, text encrypted. Who will remember?
I will remember.
Who?
All are under text only.
Srivalli, you?
Yes.
Srivalli
No,
2
let
times.
give chance to others. You already remembered
Okay.
6. You will be
Okay.
overloaded.
Okay.
Who
I
will be-
remember Shilpa.
Shilpa, you remembered phone.
Yeah, this also I remember.
Others are there, but what they will do?
Sir, I will
Bishwajit,
remember.
Jabin.
Yes, sir, I will remember. Text.
Who, Bishwajit or Jabin?
Me, sir, Jobin.
Jabin, you remember that. Okay. Next, last one is what? 24.
URL.
Bishwajit? Bishwajit, are you there? Dikshit, who remember that? Last one.
Madhu.
Oh, Madhu. Now, tell me sequence. First one, who remembered first 6?
Srivalli.
Srivalli.
Second,
Swati.
Swati, how many you remembered?
2, sir.
2.
2 or 3?
2 only, sir.
Next,
Reena.
Isha.
how many Isha?
Isha, I remember 2, 7, and 8. Time and date.
2 or 3?
2.
2.
In yours, 2 or 3?
Oh, there's 3, 9, 10, and 11.
What are those? Okay, we will see those later. 3 are there. Next,
Sirisha.
how many you remember, Shirisha?
Number percentage.
2.
2.
Next,
Shilpa.
you remember phone.
Yes.
Next,
Harish.
I remember 2, sir.
2. Next,
Jobin. 5 options of text.
Jabin, how many?
5 options text.
How many?
5.
5.
5.
Next,
URL.
Madhu.
who remembered URL?
Madhu.
So total 24, right? 6 plus 2, 8, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 14, 16.
20.
What, where we are missing? 16 plus
After Isha, Reena, sir.
after Reena.
After Isha, Reena, sir.
How many you remember?
2, sir. 12 and 13.
6 to how now count is done. 13,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
15, 16, 18 plus 6, 24. Now don't tell Srivalli. What you remember, don't tell. Srivalli, what she remembered?
Hello.
Srivalli, you don't tell.
Okay. 1 through 6.
First one is what?
Auto number,
Then
formula,
Auto number, roll up
formula,
summary, and
roll-up, summary, lookup relationship, and master detail
Master
relationship.
and external lookup relationship.
first 3
Srivalli, is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. What Swati remember? You don't tell Swati.
Checkbox allow, currency allows.
currency.
Check box and
Currency allows.
currency. Is it right, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Isha, what she remembered?
Date
Time.
allow,
Date
date
time.
allow,
Time.
date time allows.
Reena, what Reena remembered?
Email.
Email geolocation.
Email
Is it correct, Reena?
Yes, sir.
What Shirisha remembered?
Number person.
Number.
Shilpa?
Phone.
Shilpa remembered phone?
Yes. Yes.
Harish, what he remembered?
Pick list and pick list multi-select.
Jabin,
Text
5
area.
options.
Area
Text.
long, rich.
Text
what
alone.
Text
Jabin
area long.
remembered?
Text area
Long.
rich.
Text area,
encrypted.
text area long,
Text
text
rich.
rich and encrypted.
Text encrypted. And what Madhu remembered?
URL.
URL.
So everybody remember now 24?
Yes.
Yes.
Anybody has doubt? Dikshit? Dikshit, are you there? Dikshit,
Sir, before URL, there is time.
before URL,
Time, one option is there.
What is what
23rd
option
of-
is there?
Time.
Time we have included for whom?
Date.
For Ishat, we have included
Ishat.
time. Date time and time. We have moved that time to up.
Okay.
Date time, time. For Isha, we have given.
Yes.
So now who will tell 24?
What is second one?
Means
Auto number, after auto number, what is it?
Formula.
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 Yes, got it.
if now anyone remember 24? Who remember 24? Who knows 24? All 24 together, who can tell?
We can try, sir.
Okay, try.
Auto number. Formula.
Auto number, formula, roll-up summary,
Summary,
lookup,
lookup.
master detail, external lookup, checkbox,
Checkbox.
currency, date, time,
Date, time,
Date,
time,
date and time,
Email,
Email.
phone,
geolocation
phone,
number,
pick
set
list,
phone,
email, geo
list.
number,
pick list,
geo
multiple
number, percentage,
phone,
on pick list, multi, select, text area long, text area encrypted,
encrypted in text.
which for
URL.
Is it correct? Everyone check. Now we
Yes.
will go there and
Yes,
check.
sir.
Auto number, formula, roll-up summary, lookup, master detail, external lookup, checkbox, currency,
Currency,
date,
data,
date time, email, geolocation, number,
date and time.
percentage, phone, pick list, multi-select, text area long, text area rich, text encrypted, URL.
Yes.
All are in sequence. Just we have moved this time to top. So these are the formula is a separate topic. Formula fields. Roll-up summary is a separate topic. Lookup relationship is a separate topic. Master detail relationship is separate topic. External relationship is a separate topic. How many topics are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 topics, it requires 3 to 4 sessions. Formula fields, roll-up summary, lookup, master detail, external lookup. Almost 6 hours it takes to cover these 3 topics. Remember that syllabus. Formula fields, roll-up summary, lookup relationship, master detail relationship, external lookup relationship. There will be interview questions from these 5 topics. Definitely there will be 2 to 3 interview questions. Then they will ask to implement pick list and multi-pick lists. By using means you need to develop, like you need to understand how this pick list and multi-pick list are developed by using coding. By using coding, how this is developed, Swapna will teach you. Salesforce has given that facility, but we will understand for our practice. So tomorrow we will see how to create these fields, what properties we get for each field when each data type when we select, what are the common properties. We will come up with one use case for tomorrow and we will see creating all types of fields. Okay, I will send. So for tomorrow assignments, I will try to send as early as possible. I will ask what is this number, what is this email. You have to remember. You have to give definition. What is email? I will ask. What is geolocation? These options are available. I am not explaining those now. You have to remember this. There is no understanding in this. You have to remember 24 data types and what it is, just simple definition.